Good morning, everybody. It's Tatiana and your Moscow weather report. Today is 29th of May. Very nice and sunny weather. 26 degrees Celsius. It's 79 in Fahrenheit. And it's very windy. And I don't know what this wind will bring us in the second part of the day. Maybe a rain, but there is no in the forecast. I hope that the wind will bring us just a fresh air, not to feel hot. You see, the wind is quite strong. The up parts of the trees are shaking, but it's very fresh and warm. I wish you a very good day, nice weather, and see you tomorrow. Bye.